This cake is the devil. It's attacking my diet plan. But it's so delicious. Got the strawberry supreme cake. It already had strawberry chunks in it. Then I cut up a whole bunch of strawberries and put them in the cake. Then I got one thing of strawberry icing and a thing of cream cheese icing. I did half and half, mixed them up, and then I added some more strawberries. You see all those? I diced all those strawberries up, put them on top. Oh my gosh, this cake is so delicious. How was the cake, Naraya? She's attacking it. Good, that better not hit the floor. Choo, 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 choo. Do you feel like you're in heaven? Oh.